Hi, and welcome to this little tutorial in Audacity on how to clean up your audio files and remove background noise. I've just loaded up a file from a game I played, my audio file, and we're going to clean this up, but first of all we need a plugin. And that plugin is called Noise Gate. You can find that here, and do not despair, I will put this in the description down below so you know where to go and get it. Download this, it will end up in your download folder. Go in wherever you have installed Audacity. Go in the Audacity folder, you will see the plugin. Simply drag this over. I have already done it, so I won't be doing it again, but when that's done, it's basically done. Start up Audacity. Get into your file, and that will look like pretty much like this. Or it will probably look like this. Making it into waveform dB, you will see the background noise a hell of a lot more, and it's easier to see if it gets cleaned and how much and so forth. Well, first of all, using the noise gate. As you can see here, you have a different frequency, level of reduction, gate threshold, and so on. You can take a little portion of your clip where the background noise is and use the noise gate to analyze the noise level. You will see this being changed to the next time I go in. Okay, so it found out it was minus 38.28 on that side and 42 on the other. Suggested threshold setting minus 35 decibels. What I found out is that I think that's a bit too little. So I've made my own, and it's basically this. It didn't change, by the way. It's good to know. Anyways, we're gonna listen to a little clip so you can hear before and after. There's another one. As you could hear, it's breathing. It's normal to breathe when your microphone is basically in your mouth, and it even catches up lip motion and my mechanical keyboard. Well, what we want to do is you choose waveform dB, mark the whole thing, and you go to the noise gate, and well, you have to put in what number you feel is okay, but I found this works for me, so probably will for you as well. But you have to try this. This is try and fail. If you take too much, you will hear no breathing and sudden cuts. So it's a balance between your mic and how you actually talk. Just press OK. I've had one problem with the noise gate. It only allows you to take up around 30-35 minutes at a time, or else it will crash and fail. So bear in mind, if you're making a 2-hour video, 1 hour video, chop it up, take like 30 minutes at a time using the noise gate. Then it won't crash. So I don't know why it is like that. It's always been. I've looked around in the forums, there is no solution to this problem, but yeah, it works fine. As you can see, it's a big difference in the way, in the noise, background noise, and we can hear again to check it. There's another one. As you can see, most of my breathing is completely gone. You can do this again. I'm just gonna mark this part and like do it again, but I kind of find it sounds a little bit artificial if there is absolutely no breathing, no nothing. And as you can see now, there is no sound basically. So, awkward silence, I don't know, call it what you want. I'll undo this. Second thing, you see there is a lot of red marks here. That's clipping. You don't want clipping because the volume gets too high. So you use limiter. I think this is the default settings. I haven't done anything as I know in here. Use that and nothing happened. Really. Limiter. There it goes. And you see no clipping. And to clean it up even further, you can use equalization. I tend to use this 100 Hz rumble. It cuts off a bit low sounds and other stuff, and well, basically cleans up my voice as well. Using this, you can see it's even cleaner than it was before. There's another one. As you can see, it's still a little bit of sound, but it's very well cleaned up. But it's not like awkward silence stuff. And as you can see, it's very, very neat. I'm just gonna save this. Save as waveform. I'm just gonna call this 1. Okay. And close this. I'm gonna go and see where I put my little file, if I can remember it. Probably this one. Yes. And open. That's the old one. Taken into waveform. Taking it in. And open. One on desktop. Oh, that's the program. God damn it. Open desktop. There it is. And that's the new one. So it's very much a cleaner and nicer file. And you won't hear breathing and other stuff down your neck. So this is an easy way to clean up your audio files. And basically that's it for this tutorial. Next week I'm gonna show you a new tool I found, which is freaking awesome. And it's small and elegant. So tune in next time. Bye.